Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered whether you're using Canva's free version or if you actually have access to Canva Pro, the premium version, today's video is going to clear up all that confusion for you. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to check your Canva account status, and you'll learn why it matters for unlocking all those extra tools and features inside Canva that can take your designs to the next level. Let's jump straight in and find out if you're working with Canva Pro. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to Canva and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. That's where you'll find your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it might look like your photo, your initials, or just a little person icon. Go ahead and give that a click. Sometimes this area can feel a bit hidden, especially if you're used to seeing settings or profile information at the top of other websites. But in Canva, they've tucked it neatly into that bottom corner. As soon as you click the profile icon, a sidebar or menu will open up. This is your dashboard for all personal and team-related info in Canva. Take a moment here. This panel holds the key to knowing your account type. Now, carefully look for the area where it mentions Canva Pro. Sometimes it'll say Canva Pro outright, and if you're on a team or in an educational environment, you might see something like Canva Pro with 201 members. That number actually refers to the size of your team, so in this case, it means you're using a Canva Pro account that's been set up for a group, whether that's a business, a class, or even a nonprofit. This is pretty common in educational or collaborative settings. Why is this important? Well, if you see those Canva Pro words anywhere in this profile area, you're enjoying the perks of the premium plan. That means you can access thousands of extra templates, premium images, advanced branding tools, and features like background removal or resizing with just a few clicks. If you're not seeing Canva Pro here, then you're using Canva's free version, which is great for simple projects but limits some of the pro-level bells and whistles. This menu is also helpful because it'll visually reinforce your status every time you need to check, especially if you share your device or collaborate with others. If you're ever unsure, just repeat these steps and you'll have your answer in under a minute. And don't worry if you see Canva Pro but you're not sure what it includes. Knowing you have it is the first step, and you can always poke around to explore those extra features later. If you don't see Pro, Canva usually offers trial upgrades, and you'll find clear options for upgrading right there in that menu too. So that's it. Now you know how to confidently check if your Canva account is Pro or not, and why it matters for getting the most out of your design projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and if you have any questions at all about Canva, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.